So this footage here is from about 2005 in my backyard. This is my home-based studio called Sugar Shack Studios. It was something I built in my parents' backyard, all because I learned you can make music on computers. There it is right there, unassuming, but once you come inside, I had a full production studio. This is really in the early days of music production. Fast forward over 20 years, and look what Qualcomm is showing with their new Snapdragon X series chips. This is a model of Ableton Live, and they had a musician who was doing a live demonstration of what you could do on a laptop that is powered by their new X2 Elite series chip. Take a listen. But there's no latency as he's playing. It's almost like it was going through an analog gear, which was fascinating. And this is all for this launch of this new X2 series from Snapdragon and Qualcomm. Take a listen to this. And look how many people showed up for this. This is like 9 in the morning. The room was packed to the rim for this launch. And here's a little behind the scenes so you can see what it was all about.
I'm super excited to announce that the X series will get an epic upgrade. This is again a direct reflection of our efforts to move this entire industry forward, set new benchmarks, enable newer experiences.
We're moving into this era of these AI PCs, and so that's why the chip is one of the most important factors when purchasing a PC right now. And it's interesting how Qualcomm, which is known on the mobile side with Snapdragon, is really making a push on the laptop front.
Really awesome. It's the second generation basically of the device. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that was just named Oprah's favorite thing. So really awesome device. Take a look at it. Feel it. It's a 16-inch device, and it's using our fastest and most powerful X2 instruments. So let's head over into the ring, and we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out who's gonna be the winner.
Ladies and gentlemen, step right up. We have for you the head-to-head match you've been waiting for. In this corner, we have our defending champion, undefeated Snapdragon, and in this corner, everyone else. The challengers, and Quentin is here to show us the match.
All right, thank you. Yes, compared to Snapdragon X first gen, we have 40% faster single thread on the CPU, 50% faster on the multi-thread, over 2x on GPU, and almost 2x on NPU. And you can see here on screen, that means we've extended our lead across the board, right? In this case, we're looking at single core, but when you go to multi-core, you really see that lead come through.
One of the hardest things for any given system to accomplish is immediacy and low latency. So when you're playing a virtual instrument, as you can see, I have no amplifier or anything on stage. I've just got a laptop. The latency is everything. If you can't dig in and feel as if you're playing through an analog system, then that system is not going to work for you. It's not going to sell.
Staying in the single digits, more or less. Not really being affected. And I'm going to play again. They're playing live. All these guys inside the computer. I'm also playing live.
So again, all rendered in real time as if I've got a band, but it's in this small laptop, which I could, as you saw before, unplug and have the exact same performance as I have plugged into the wall. Incredibly powerful tool. I don't need any analog gear, which is heavy and expensive. I've got this small laptop, I've got my guitar, I've got a band in a box.
I gotta tell you, this new Snapdragon X2 series, very impressive chip, just what they were doing on the audio front. As somebody who had been in this space for a long time, I can tell you, I'm very impressed. And those benchmark tests that they were showing were fantastic too. So I'm gonna be following this company very, very closely in the next couple of years just because of what they're producing and what you could do with a new AI-powered PC. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm Handy Andy. See you next time.